What's up, guys? Okay, y'all, I'm back with another collab video. It is hosted by Heidi and Lindsey, and it's a DIY floral challenge. Okay, guys, for this floral challenge, I'm going to use this dress form slash mannequin. Thank you, Jesus. Mannequin, whatever you want to call it. Okay, guys. So I'm gonna put my coffee filter flowers up and glue it on it, y'all. Come on, y'all. And it's gonna be my spring centerpiece for my table scape. So let's get started, guys. Okay, guys. All I'm gonna do is take one of my coffee filter flowers. Hello, flower. I'm gonna glue like at the tip. Glue it. Hopefully that's enough glue. And I'm just going to apply that bad boy on the dress form. Hold it for a second to make sure it's in position. And plot out. There you have it. Take another flower, booyah, and do the exact same thing, guys. How freaking easy is that? Boop, boop. Put it underneath, and voila. You might want to have to hold that bad boy for a little second. Good. It ain't making contact. Hold on, Jesus. It ain't making contact. Y'all still standing. There we go. There we go. Oh, snap. And the other one want to act the fool. The other one want to act the fool. Now look at that. On camera, though. Are you going to act a fool on camera? And so it's that easy, guys. Glue it and pray to God that it stays. So I'm gonna do the rest of the dress form. You see it keep falling. And then I'll be right back. And there you have it, my finished floral dress form, y'all. I think it has turned out so cute. To me, the video is not doing it justice. I added a cute little shimmery bow just to add that little girly touch. But I did add flowers all around it. As you see. It was just enough leftover flowers to actually do it. And as you see, the glue actually stayed. Now I burned my fingers like about 400 or 500 times, but it was all worth it. I'm not gonna complain, guys, but I think it's so cute. So cute. Thank you, Heidi and Lindsey, for hosting this awesome collab DIY floral challenge. I really appreciate the invite, and I can't wait to see what's next. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, go ahead and hook me up with a thumbs up. See you guys next Friday, or this Friday. Never mind. See you guys this Friday. Deuces.